Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is EKB TV, and you are watching Vintage Cigar, and we're back this time with an unboxing. And I swear, y'all, I'm gonna do stuff more than just unboxing. I got some shows coming down the pike, but life got some other things going. The time frame to be able to get reviews out, get the top tens out, get the buyers guides out, and all that kind of stuff really just not working. But the channel is still rolling. And part of the reason I can show you that the channel is still rolling is that, people have really been just sending out bombs and just really watching the channel, hitting the like button, watching the lives and all that kind of stuff, man. So I'm grateful for all of y'all, man. So the channel is still rolling. I'm still breathing, still here. Haven't shut the channel down. So let's get into this unboxing. Want to give a shout out to the homie Michael Phelan on this one. Man of many names like myself. And it was just kind of cool, man, that he just wanted to send out a box to me. And he sent some really cool cigars. And I like this. I like this one because it's not the biggest bomb in the world, and it's really, the size is not really everything to it. But the cigars that are sent out are really cool cigars, and I think it's gonna provide a lot for the show, provide a lot for me to sink my palate into some things that I've been really, wanting to try, some things that are really different. So it's kind of cool, man. It's gonna be a fun little quick unboxing. So this is probably not gonna be a long video. It's enough to get the algorithm rolling and enough to, give you guys something to sink your teeth into until, the channel is back up on its feet and rolling the way that I wanted to roll. I want to start with this. It's like, what's really fun about this are these Castaglis. I don't have a lot of short smokes, but these little Castaglis right here are kind of cool. It's something that is just will kind of give me something that's a nice flavor profile, something a little bit different. And with the time frame that I have right now, a lot of things have really been just taking up my time of day. I haven't really had a lot of time just to sit back and enjoy a cigar, be it the weather, be it work, be it family, be it other things going on personally and all that kind of stuff. So these will come in handy, man. And so I don't have a lot on what makes up these cigars as far as the wrapper, binder, filler, and all that. I would imagine there's probably some Peruvian tobacco in here somewhere, something along those lines. Castagli usually has a nice mixture, so that's pretty awesome. These cigars feel pretty good to the hand, so they seem like they were really temperature controlled. So what's funny now is when everybody's sending the box to me now, everybody wants to prank me and send a joke. And it's funny, I enjoy it. Puts a smile on my face, man. So this time is not gonna be what's that other brand that I really don't mess with, Gurkha, but it's a Padron, and it's part of the 1000 series, but it's cool. It's really funny because it jokes on everybody because I don't hate Padron. I actually don't mind having it in the humidor, but it's just funny that everybody wants to send Padron to me now. That's hilarious. You gotta love it, man. We're gonna stick with the Castagli train right now. I got a Villa Castagli, and I'm interested in this one too because this particular Castagli here is part of the Villa series, and I know that this one has Peruvian tobacco in it. I've smoked a lot from the main line, and I haven't had a chance to get this one. This is a little bit easier to get your hands on, so I'm happy to have this Robusto in the humidor as well, to kind of share my thoughts and kind of expand my palate based on Castagli as well. This is an interesting cigar here. This is Brother of the Leaf. This is kind of dope, man. I'm hoping this is just kind of a message because I like, the idea of, having Brothers of the Leaf. People have just been supporting the channel, sending out cigars and things like that. And, just with, new wave fellas, just us chopping it up and connecting the way we do. It's kind of cool to, have a cigar that kind of represents that, man. I haven't had this cigar. I haven't smoked it. I didn't even know about it until it came about. And when I took a look at it, it had the Drew Estate symbol on the back of it. So kind of curious to see what this cigar is all about and what the story is behind that. I'm kind of hype here because this Paul Gamarian, please forgive me if I say the name wrong on that. I feel like I jacked his name up every time, so I usually just stick to PG. PG for me as a basketball fan is Paul George, but a lot of people have been in the inbox lately and in the emails and just, you know, chopping it up with me like, yo, you gotta have these PGs. You gotta really, you know, try these to you know, I want your opinion on them and so on and so forth. I got a few of them now. I'm definitely gonna do a review on these just because the desire has been so strong and people have really been asking for it. So that's coming. Plus I got some that I can actually enjoy for myself. So that's really cool. Gonna kind of speed this up now because you guys are familiar with the majority of these that's going on. So let me kind of switch back to this. This is a Regis. I really dig Regis as a brand. They've kind of slowed down in some of the, you know, the popularity that was building on them recently, but you know, they're still out there. I haven't had this particular Regis. It's a nice looking cigar. So I'm kind of curious to see if this is going to be Cuban-esque or if it's going to be something different. I don't know much of the details as far as binder, filler, wrapper, all that kind of stuff, but it's going to be something cool to find out. And if you guys know about it, talk about it in the comments. Tell me, you know, something about it if you got have an opinion on it. Hopefully Michael can kind of give me some ideas of what's going on here. We have an unbanded cigar. There's no notations. There's nothing in the notes. There's nothing like that to kind of let me know what this is about. It has a closed foot on it, beautifully wrapped. If I didn't know better, man, just the way that it looked, I would think it was something from Crown Heads. But I honestly don't know. You know, completely unbanded. It's a mystery cigar. Maybe he wants it to be a mystery cigar and wants me to try it and then, you know, figure out what it is based on that. Who knows? But we got a mystery cigar here, completely unbanded. It's nicely rolled. It's a beautiful roll, nicely packed, beautiful wrapper on it. And it might be like, hey, surprise, it's a Gerska, got you, bitch. I don't know, but I can't really see Gurkha doing something that nice. That's a really nice looking cigar. We have another Amazon Basin and Yeho here. You know, that means it's been aged. We all know how much I really dig this cigar. It's always nice to get it. I just got another one of these in a recent bomb. So it's kind of cool because I really didn't think I was going to get any more of these for a while until whatever the next cycle was going to be from CAO. So that is always a pleasant thing. Makes me happy inside. I'm tired from work, so this is my excitement face. If you guys remember Droopy, that's me right now. You know what, folks? I'm happy. It's nice to get this in a bomb as well. Another Andalusian Bull. You know, this is, I don't know when I'm gonna have time to smoke this cigar. I don't know, but they age really well, and it's always nice to have another Bull just to join into the humidor because it is definitely a favorite of mine. Absolutely love that cigar. You guys know that. And to have another limited edition La Carême from Crown Heads, the 2022. I was telling my coworker about this cigar. I couldn't wait to do the unboxing just to, you know, to get it new. I was at work and I wanted to see what was in the box. So y'all gotta forgive me for that. But I was telling my coworker about the cigar and how much this is just like an amazing chocolate souffle of a cigar. Even with it, you know, being a natural tobacco on this. This is a beautiful, wonderful tasting cigar. So I could get 1 billion of these and I would be a happy dude. I really like this cigar, man. It's really good. You know, every Vitola that I've had from it, you know, it hasn't let me down yet. From whatever year, whatever the case may be, it's been consistent. So this is definitely a cigar that I like to have. So, Michael, shout out to you, man. Thank you very much for sending this into the channel. Thank you for giving me a little bit of content to throw up right now. I really haven't wanted to put a lot of videos and things like that up, but if you guys are taking the time to send out these boxes to me, send them all the way across the Pacific Ocean, I gotta do nothing but show love, man, the way y'all are showing love to me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this unboxing. I usually like to go into the cigars that I've received to kind of give you my opinions on them, what I think about them before I actually smoke them, and all that kind of stuff too. How I feel about the boxes, so it's not just me like, open the box. Hey, look, I got some cigars. So if you like this, click the like button. Click subscribe. Stay tuned for more. We got top 10s coming up whenever the time frame allows. I got the SP 1014 Black review coming up. That's dry boxing right now to get a decent review for you guys. If you guys got something else, the vintage cigar I want to smoke is not done yet. We're not even halfway through that season. It's just, once everything is back up and running, I will continue that. We got some really cool cigars coming from that. So, EKB TV. It's been a quick unboxing. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.